Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing essentials. Obtain your OpenAI API key and confirm billing and rate limits so you won't be surprised later. Make sure you're on Excel 365 or have Power Query and the Developer tab enabled. This enables web requests and scripting. Once done, choose your integration method, Power Query for no-code pulls, VBA for lightweight macros, Office scripts or Python Excel wings for advanced automation. This choice shapes the request format, authentication flow, and how you parse JSON responses into cells. You now build the actual request. Craft a JSON body with model, prompt, max tokens, and temperature. This controls output length and creativity. In Power Query, use web. Contents with headers. In VBA, use XML HTTP with authorization. Bearer your API key. In Python, use requests. Post. Once the response arrives, parse JSON and extract the choices or text field, then map it into rows or target cells. Make sure to add error checks and retry logic, because network calls can fail intermittently. You finish by automating and securing the workflow. Schedule Office scripts, trigger VBA on workbook events, or refresh Power Query to pull new outputs automatically. Make sure to implement logging, validate HTTP status codes, and inspect JSON structure before writing to cells to avoid corrupting spreadsheets. Store API keys securely, environment variables, or Excel's protected secrets, and respect rate limits to prevent throttling. If things go wrong, check the HTTP status and response body first. That single step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.